Hello, the topic of our today's discussion is some questions which arise in your mind before getting your teeth cleaning done. So let's get started. The first questions many people ask is, do we really need to get teeth cleaning done in a dental clinic? So the answer to that is yes. Many people need to do dental cleaning once in a 6 month. The reason to that is in some people the rate of the tartar formation on their teeth is more. So many dentists advise to get the teeth cleaned once in a 6 month. But for some patients it can be in a once in a year as the because of the rate of flow of their saliva and the cleansing action of their saliva, it also affects. The second question which arises in your mind is, does teeth cleaning loosens your teeth? And the answer to that is no. Actually, it's totally opposite, that the teeth cleaning actually strengthens your teeth. The reason to that is the daily accumulation of the mineral layer and the food particles on your teeth cause the soft plaque to convert into the hard tartar, and that cause the accumulation of the bacteria which invades your gums through the gingival sulcus, and it affects your periodontium. So ultimately it affects your teeth's strength. So if you don't clean your teeth properly, if you don't have a proper dental checkup in a dental cleaning, so it can cause the your tooth mobility and early loss of the tooth. Next question is, does any of the dental treatment can cause complications of the eyes or any harm to the eyesight? The answer to that is no. Actually, any of the dental treatment like the root canal, tooth removal, teeth cleaning, teeth filling, etc. cannot cause any complication because the blood supply, the arterial blood supply of the tooth and eye is totally different. So there is no chance of complications.